Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A200 Pro, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. You can try to force restart it just by pressing the power button, which is located on the right side of your device, and hold it long enough, approximately 10 seconds, until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me press it and keep pressing. Of course, we've got this option restart, but let's ignore it. Let's keep pressing the button. Let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. We've got the black screen, which is really good. We've got the developer's logo, which means that we just successfully soft reset or force restarted our device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.